in the life of the International Choir and our parish. We are privileged and hugely honored to play host to the Zimbabwean choir from Bristol. They've come all the way from Bristol to be with us and to celebrate with us. So on your behalf, once again, I would like to thank you. I know that Ephraim is a very shy and humble person, but I have twisted his arm to come and say a word or two of his connections, about his connections with this choir. Ephraim. Thank you.
Hi, yeah. A few months ago, I went to Bristol to attend the church mass with this group. The idea of going there was to try and plead with them to ask them to come over and sing with us. But I was so happy, I didn't have to plead. The moment I mentioned it, they said they were very willing to come over. And so that's how it all happened. And I'm so happy that today they have managed to come. These are people, some of whom have been in the choir with me for years and years. The choir mistress, Florence, was a child when I was the choir master. And she grew up in my choir. And I'm not trying to say that she got that from me. She was always wonderful. Patrick Gwenzi, who is playing with his phone there,
I'm videoing.
was deputy choir master for many, many years in the same parish. We were from the same parish. And of course, don't forget Killian was also member of the choir. This one here, come over here, Robert, is my pupil. I was his teacher, in a Catholic school where I was teaching. And they all used to have a very high, what do you call it? They imagined I was a very good teacher. So his brother is a priest and a very good friend of mine who went to school with me and to the seminary. By the way, once upon a time I was a Marist brother, a religious man, the order of Marist brothers. So anyway, to make a long story short, I'm so happy that these guys have managed to come today. I hope we will arrange again for them to come. When we have plenty of time, then we can sing and dance. Thank you.
We can have the president to take the whole out tonight. Thank you very much. Last song is another one. Carry it.
Kafara